Hello everyone, in this video I will show you a quick overview and how to set up a QNAP TL-800C. It's a USB-C extension. It supports USB 3.2 Gen 2, what should give us a pretty good performance. In my case, the extension will be equipped with 18 TB drives from Toshiba, and it will be used just for backups. After loading the drives, connect the USB-C cable to the main unit, then the power cable, and basically that's it. The extension should start by himself. A small commendation to QNAP to taking the attention to the detail. The extension unit is powering the drive one after another, what protect the power supply for overload. After logging to the central unit, the extension should be detected automatically. One of the first steps is creating a storage pool, or like in my case, just the volume. The reason for this is that I will use the extension just for backups and I don't need the additional option like snapshots or expandability. The redundancy I use is RAID 5. In my opinion, that's enough to storing a copy of your data, and in this case we are losing just the capacity of one drive. And basically that's it. After a few steps the volume is ready to use. In my case it's 114 TB of storage, what's actually a lot, and even with the fast USB 3.2 Gen 2 making up around 100 TB can take a few days. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the extension. It works actually without any problems. The power consuming on the idle is pretty low. With 18 TB drives from Toshiba, it's around 0.5 to 1 kW per day. If you have already a QNAP device and you are looking for an extension, I think this can be a product for you. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, please write it in the comment sections, and I hope we will see us in next time.